Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel IELTS Perfection. I'm Amir and I'm thrilled to have you here for part 2 of our 10 essential idiom series, perfect for IELTS Speaking part 3. In this video, I'll dive into more idioms that will help you sound more confident and fluent during the test. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Number 1. A double-edged sword. Something that has both positive and negative effects.
How has the internet changed the way we work?
The internet is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has made, remote work and communication easier than ever, but on the other, it can lead to distractions and a lack of work-life balance.
Number 2. Better late than never. It means it's better to do something late than not do it at all.
Do you think it's ever too late to start a new career?
Not at all. I believe it's better late than never. People can switch careers at any age if they're determined.
Number 3. On the right track. It means making progress in a correct way.
What should students do to succeed in their studies?
They should set clear goals and stay focused. If they study consistently, they'll be on the right track to success.
Number 4. Cut corners. To do something in a cheap or careless way.
Why do some companies compromise on quality?
Some companies cut corners to save money, but this can harm their reputation in the long run.
Number 5. Keep an eye on. To watch or monitor something carefully.
How can people stay financially secure?
They need to keep an eye on their spending and save regularly to avoid unnecessary financial stress.
Number 6. Pull someone's leg. It means to joke or tease someone.
Is humor important in building relationships?
Yes, humor helps build trust. For example, pulling someone's leg in a light-hearted way can make conversations more enjoyable.
Number 7. Sit on the fence. It means to avoid making a decision or taking a side.
Why do people sometimes hesitate to make decisions?
Some people sit on the fence because they fear the consequences of choosing the wrong option.
Number 8. Work against the clock. It means to try to finish something before a deadline.
How do deadlines affect people's productivity?
Deadlines can push people to work against the clock, which can boost productivity but also create stress if the timeline is too tight.
Number 9. Bite the bullet. It means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation bravely.
How should people handle difficult decisions?
Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and make tough choices, even if it's uncomfortable, because it's often the best way forward.
And number 10. Learn the ropes. Meaning to learn how to do something, especially a job or skill.
What challenges do people face when starting a new job?
The biggest challenge is learning the ropes. It takes time to understand the processes and expectations, but with effort, it becomes easier.
Use these idioms to impress the examiner and boost your score. See you in the next lesson.